In this tutorial we'll be deployed Fortinet FortiManager VM virtual appliance in test lab, running on ESXi host. These steps could also be used for production environment install. Prerequisites: VMware ESXi host, Fortinet FortiManager for VMware ESXi platform version 7. This network diagram we will follow for this lab, so let's start. Download the FortiManager VM virtual appliance image for VMware ESXi from Fortinet.com using Fortinet portal. Go to Download under VM Images for FortiManager image. Select Product as FortiManager, select Platform VMware ESXi. Select latest version 7.6.6, there is two options on for upgrade from old version to new one, and new deployment for new installation. New deployment download for new FortiManager deploy in VMware ESXi 7 version. Download started. It's take 10 to 15 minutes based on internet speed. Download completed, open the folder for unzip image folder. During unzip process we discuss minimum hardware requirements for FortiManager virtual appliance: 4 core, 8 GB RAM, 4 network interfaces, 500 GB hard disk. Login into ESXi for create a VM. Log in using root user and password. After login you can show dashboard, then go to networking tab for VMNIC create. I have already create interface for this lab. Using physical VNIC 0 connected to VM network 200. In virtual machines web interface select create/register VM, for create a new VM for FortiManager. Select deploy a virtual machine from an OVA or OVA file. Select next. Enter name for the FortiManager VM, select or drag and drop the fmg.vmdk, datadrive.vmdk file and FortiManager VM64 OVA file. Select next. Select the available data store. Since only one is provided for this lab, choose it to proceed. Accept license agreement. I agree, select next. Configure your network interface mappings and disk provisioning. Network 1 for function management, lab_mgmt1. Network 2 to 4 for no function, dummy network, VM_net1. In this lab we have selected VM network 200 for all interface. Disk provisioning, select then, select next. Review your configuration before finishing the wizard. Select finish. Before powering on the VM, verify its status in the recent tasks list. Ensure the build has completed successfully. If it is still in progress, wait for the task to finish before starting the VM. Power on the VM. Open the VMware console to check FortiManager VM starting. When started VM then log in with default credentials, admin/no password, enter new admin password, press enter. Run get system interface for checking all port configuration output. Run show system interface port 1 for checking port 1 configuration output. By default port 1 is out of the box configured as management interface with DHCP and allowed access for services, HTTPS, SSH. We need to configure this port manually. Configure port 1 as a management port. Run config system interface then edit port 1 and set mode static. Set IP 192.168.200.7.255.255.255.0 and set allow access HTTPS SSH ping as like show this video. Run Next for Save this configured, then End for Finish management port configuration. Set the DNS and gateway on the management port to enable internet access. This is required to register FortiManager with FortiCloud. Follow the video for the specific configuration steps. Ping connectivity from the management PC has been verified and is working correctly. Now it is possible to reach HTTPS SCUI of the FortiManager on management IP address and to continue with configuration. Log into the FortiManager GUI using the management IP address and your administrator credentials. Select free trial or activate license. I am using the free trial for this lab. Simply enter your Fortinet portal username and password to proceed. Accept the license agreement. After accepting the license agreement, FortiManager connects with FortiCloud for license validation and will restart afterwards. It's take time based on your resources. Log into FortiManager with the admin account. Perform the steps to complete the setup of this FortiManager. Specify hostname, set your FortiManager name. Click Next. Turn off automatic system backup option, we will configure later. Click Next. The setup is now complete. Click Finish to finalize the FortiManager installation. Your FortiManager VM is now active and ready for the security fabric. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll cover basic and advanced configurations. Thanks for watching.